In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to comment and mention teammates in Asana. Let's start at the very beginning. Open Google Chrome and head to Asana. If you aren't already logged in, sign into your account so you can access your workspace. If you use multiple organizations or teams, make sure you're in the right one before you continue. It's a good idea to keep Asana bookmarked in Chrome so you can get back to it quickly throughout the day. Once you're in, you have two main places to interact with conversations: the inbox and the comments section on a specific task or project. The inbox, found in the left sidebar, is your central hub for updates. Think of it like a feed of what's happening across your work. It's perfect when you want to respond to activity notifications or keep a pulse on progress without drilling into each task. If you already know the exact task or project you want to discuss, open it directly and use the comments area on that page. This keeps your message attached to the right work item and makes it easier for teammates to find later. When you're ready to write, click into the comment box. This activates the editor so you can type your message. Be clear and actionable. Briefly reference the specific task detail, decision, or question you're addressing so teammates instantly have context. If you need to format your text for readability, use the editor options provided in Asana. You can also draft your message first, then fine-tune it for clarity before sending. Tip: if you want a new line without posting, use Shift+Enter to break lines while keeping the comment in draft. To notify the right people, mention them using the @ symbol followed by their name. As soon as you type @, Asana will suggest teammates. Select the correct person from the list. This ensures they get notified and can jump in quickly. You can also use @ to reference related tasks or projects, which helps connect the dots and keeps everything organized without repeating details. When your message looks good, send it by pressing Enter or clicking the comment button. You'll see your comment appear in the thread, and the people you mentioned will be notified based on their notification settings. If you spot a typo right after posting, you can edit the comment to correct it. That's it. Open Asana in Chrome, choose Inbox or a specific task or project, write a clear message, use @mentions to notify teammates, and send. Keep your communication concise, contextual, and timely, and your team will stay aligned.